Oh my goodness, I'm so bored. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Hi there again. If you don't remember who I am, my name is Dr. Lord Stevenson Esquire, the 3rd to the 4th to the 5th to the 7th. Or you can just call me Steve. We are here with the Alley County Department of Parks and Recreation at Pamela Park. And for today's virtual programming, you know what we're going to be doing today? That's right, we're going to be making some homemade lava lamps. Now you're probably wondering, bro, what do I need to make some lava lamps? Well, let me tell you right now. First thing you're going to need is an empty water bottle, some cooking oil, and some Alka-Seltzers. Now, if you don't have any of these, well, water bottle, I'm pretty sure you know how to get. Any cooking oil should work. You can find that in the probably like the baking or food section at the store. And these, you could probably find it in like the health section. They're called Alka-Seltzers. You're gonna want to get the what are these called? And you're gonna want to make sure to get the tablets. All right. You can get any amount. I believe you only need like 1 or 2, but the more you get, the more you'll be able to get your lava lamp to flow. Okay, so first things first, probably just want to take this off of our water bottle. Perfect, don't need that there anymore. All right, first things first, want to grab that empty water bottle, open it up. We're going to be pouring cooking oil into the water bottle, and we're going to probably fill it up like around 3/4 of the way, so probably like up until here. Now, cooking oil can be very messy. If you have a funnel, that'll be a lot easier to do. But since I don't have a funnel, I'm going to be using this squeezy thingy. I don't know what these are called, so I'm just going to call it the squeezy thingy. Now, I'm going to make sure it's in there. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
I'm going to do this up until I get 3/4 of the way there. Fingers are hurting. If you got a funnel, you just want to pour it in. Probably a lot easier than doing what I'm doing. Probably a lot faster too. But sometimes you just gotta take the hard way in life, you know? Because the end reward will be a lot better than doing it the other way.
Alright, I'm done saying what I'm saying. Okay. Gonna empty that out a bit. Put this back in the sink just to not make a mess. Alright. So now what you want to do next, now that we have this, see the part that has air inside the bottle? I want to fill that up with water, right? We're going to be doing that right now. Okay, seems like all the water went down, so that's okay. So now, we're going to grab the Alka-Seltzers. We're going to get 1 tablet. We're going to break it in half, okay? I broke mine into 4 pieces, so I'm going to put 2 pieces at a time. We're going to dump it in there, and we're going to see what's going on, right? Ready? 3, 2. Oh, you guys aren't counting with me. Alright, I gotta start over. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Bam! You see the bubbles happening? It's like a lava lamp, right? It's pretty cool. Now the more Alka-Seltzers you drop in there, the more action you'll have. Now if you want to make this a different color, you can by adding food coloring. You add the food coloring to the water, not the oil. So what you could do first is get a cup of water, put the food coloring in the water, stir it up, and then pour that water in here. But you guys see how the bubbles went all the way up and then went back down just like a lava lamp? Yes, that's how we recreated a lava lamp. Unfortunately, this doesn't go on forever. It's not like a real lava lamp, but you know, it like mimics it for a short time. Once you notice that the bubbles have ran out, and if you wanted to keep going, all you gotta do, get another Alka-Seltzer, just add it again. Alright? And then it should start all over again. See? Bam! Pretty cool, right? I know. So mesmerizing too. It's kind of like maybe ASMR. Now this will work with any size water bottle, whether it's short or longer, bigger. But do note that the bigger it is, the more oil you're going to need. Okay? I'm going to do this last one. Drop it in there. Bam. Pretty cool, right? Now you do want to be careful about overfilling your bottle, because the more you add in there, the more it'll rise. So please do be careful about making a mess. All right, so that was it today. We made a homemade lava lamp. We didn't add any food coloring, but you could add food coloring to yours. If you do happen to make one, do feel free to share it with us and we can share it out to the entire world. Once again, my name is Steve and I work for the LA County Department of Parks and Recreation, and I am here at Pamela Park. Thank you for joining us in today's Arts and Crafts with Steve, and we'll hope to see you in the next one.